How to share live location on Google Maps on Android and iOS devices. Let's get started. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. First up, launch your settings. Navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Click on the option Location Services. You'll need to enable location services in your device. Once you do that, now head over to the option Google Maps and allow access of location to the Google Maps. Set it to always. Once you do that, now you can launch your Google Maps. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Head over to the option Location Sharing. Click on the option Share Location. This way you will be able to share your real-time location with friends and family. Different contact options will appear. Select the one to whom you want to share your live location. Likewise, you are also able to select the time period. Click on this drop-down. Set it to 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Or check in for this option until you turn this off if you want to share your location for 24 hours. So this way you can easily share a live location on Google Maps on Android and iOS device. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.